Hello, people. In this very short video that I'll try to make very short, I will show you how to use the materials for Black Friday. So, first, you go to aicmarketinghub.mystrikingly.com. You should have this link by now. And the first thing you're gonna see is actually the Black Friday material. So, you're just gonna click here on Take Me There, and it should take you to a Google Drive. When you open the Google Drive, you're going to find a couple of things. The first one is an email template. This is an email template with the Black Friday information in case you want to mail to people in your university. It is very important for you to know that in order to open it and be able to edit it, you actually need to use your own personal MailChimp account. So just use your personal one, it should be fine, and you can just send it to people like mailing list from your university or whatever you want, or if you have people that have started applying but are taking a long time to convert to approved, you can also mail them using this template. You do require your MailChimp account to open it. The next thing are the one-pagers. We have the one-pager and the one-pager in French for you to revise the information if you're having doubts about what are the criteria for Black Friday, or if an EP asks you about how are we going to select the GoPro winners and how are we going to select and when and all these things. You can just read this and remind you what you should be doing. And then here you can find the Black Friday logo just in case you need it. We have a simple version without the blue circle, and then the version with the blue circle. When you go to social media, you're gonna have the Facebook and the Instagram. So let's start with the Facebook one. Okay, so we have a couple of things. The first thing is the countdown. Now, the countdown should actually start today, so Friday, 15th of November, the countdown should start. So the first image that you should be posting if you want to use the countdown is this one. So it's 5 days, 4 days, 3, 2, 1, and then Black Friday starts now. So the idea is to post this in the 5 days prior to Black Friday to start creating awareness that we are going to start running our Black Friday, and just for people to know what to expect. So it's just a countdown that we're going to be starting from the AIESEC in Canada page. You can just share the AIESEC in Canada publication just to keep people aware of what's happening. So this is our teaser for Black Friday. Then we have the cover. So this is a cover that all of you should have on your Facebook. It's quite simple. It just has Black Friday and the dates, and here it has all of the countries that are participating. And just encourage people when you change your cover picture to ask you for more information, because people might be shy but would actually want to know. So encourage people to ask you. And then we have the Facebook explanation posts. We have them in English and in French. So basically these are posts that you can make to educate the customers on what is actually going to happen in Black Friday. So these are the 3 steps. They need to sign up, apply, get accepted, and pay their exchange fee before November 29. So remember that we are going to have the discount codes, and they need to input these discount codes, otherwise they're not going to get the discount. So it's very important that you tell them when they're going to pay. Don't forget to put your discount code. So here we have the eligible countries, so Mexico, Brazil, Taiwan, Indonesia, Brazil, Ukraine, Spain. And then we have here the actual prices, so Global Volunteer from 570 to 470, and this is the discount code for Black Friday Global Volunteer, so it's just BF and V capital, and then Volunteer. Then we have BF Entrepreneur and BF Talent. And it's basically $100 off and a chance to win a GoPro, so it's very important. And then these are the terms and conditions. I know that this is not the prettiest slide, but it's important for us to also be posting this for people to be aware. We have some disclaimers here, for example, that we cannot guarantee that people are going to get accepted to their projects and stuff like this, because we don't want people to think that we are 100% in control of this. So these are the explanation posts for you to post on your Facebook, personal Facebook, and also we have them here in French. So it's the same post, just in French. Then we have the filter. These you can find by typing on the filters when you're looking for them. AIESEC in Canada Black Friday. You can find this version, which is the final one, and you can find a version that has a black, a black filter kind of thing. So you can select this if the blue clashes with the type of picture that you have, or if you need more contrast. That's for the filter, so please use the filter that is just for Black Friday AIESEC in Canada, because if you use any other filter, they might have other dates, or they might be linked to something else, and we don't want to confuse our customers. So even if you don't like it, please use the filter for ISEC in Canada. Finally, we have the opportunities. So these are for us to be posting during the Black Friday for people to know what type of opportunities actually qualify for a Black Friday discount. So for GE, we actually have these 6 opportunities. So you can see we have business in Brasilia, we have another business in Brasilia, we have marketing in Brasilia, marketing in Ukraine, sales in Ukraine, and HR in Ukraine. So these are, of course, not all of them, but these are the ones that we're going to be promoting because they're specific for Canadians and they have more spots. So this is for GE. For GV, we have all of these that you should also be posting on your personal Facebook. These are Facebook sites, so please, I don't want to see them on Instagram or anywhere else. And for GT, we just have the Spain opportunity, which, yeah. Now for Instagram, if we go to Instagram, this is very important, guys. Please share this on your personal Instagram. Remember that Instagram is not to reach externals. The algorithm of Instagram does not help us get people that are externals. So if you post this on your ISEC in your LC Instagram page, you're just gonna reach the people who already like your page. But if you share it in your own personal Instagram, you have more chances of more people finding us and actually wanting to go on exchange. So the first thing we have is a template, and this is for you to showcase any events that you're gonna have if you wanna share them on your Instagram. So here you can just download this template and open it in whatever program you have and just write on top of the Polaroid whatever information you want to share about the event. Then we have the commercials. This is important for you to post, and you can post them more than once. It's just a short 14-second commercial about global volunteering in Brazil, and then we have one about global volunteering in Mexico. So we have these 2 commercials. Then we have the countdown, so it's the same countdown as in Facebook, but this one has the actual sizing for Instagram. And finally, we have the same explanation stories about how the process is going to run, but this has also the right size for Instagram. So please don't mix them. Put the things where they are meant to be. And yeah, have a very successful Black Friday.